This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Becky Wann. Very nice 5-acre wooded parcel in prestigious Pedigo Bay. This building site is just a few minutes from a boat ramp and right around the corner from the Four Winds. Build your dream home in a gated community just 15 minutes from the south side of Bloomington. Building sites are becoming more and more difficult to find, and this one is priced to sell. Easy to show. This is a great area for all types of outdoor activities. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Wann at 812-320-5204.